Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to talk to you about changing this sink faucet and really more importantly about how you can, with a little bit of effort and patience, um, save yourself a lot of money on home improvement projects like this um, and get exactly what you want. So in this case, this is a Hansgrohe kitchen faucet, and it's got the, pull down uh, and pull out spray. It's got spray and stream on it. It's a good faucet. It's just when I was doing my remodeling project, I bought this sink and I couldn't find a faucet that I really liked. And so, in talking to a friend, they had a sink that they changed, or excuse me, a faucet that they changed out. And so I got the faucet off of them for free. So, and I'll probably take this into Ballard reuse. And if they want it, they'll give me a small store credit, and then as I find something in there, I'll use my credit, and away we go. The sink is a Blanco Celegrant sink. Um, this is a composite sink that's got, I think, concrete granules or bits in it. Really cool. Like the style a lot. And so that you know, there's two types of sinks. There's what they call a drop-in. As you can see, this sits on top of the counter. And then they have what they call an undermount. And those are the ones that you see will run flush to the counter. I did pay retail for the bottom rack um, and the sink, and I highly recommend that you get one of these. It doesn't matter if it's the Celegrant or metal ones, stainless steel. It's just going to be, it's just nice. It's quieter. Um, it will protect the bottom of your sink, and you'll get a lot more life and use out of it. The white trim ring that you see there did not come with the sink. That's an add-on, and I found that for like, I think $4 or $5 over again at Ballard Reuse, and that it just kind of dresses up the sink a little bit more instead of having the stainless steel trim ring on top of the garbage disposal. I have a nice white one that matches the sink well enough, and so I recommend that if you want to just just add that little extra touch, that you consider something like that. Here is the faucet that I'm going to install. It's a Fapully, and what I really like about it is that handle on there. And when I walk you through the kitchen and show you the style and the look that I was after, you'll see how that fits. So again, the biggest thing is that, don't think that you have to go out and hire a plumber or a contractor to do these kinds of things. This is just takes a little bit of patience. I looked for this sink for a while, and I finally found one that popped up on OfferUp. The guy who purchased it took too long to return it, and so he missed the window and could not return it. But even if he could have, one thing you do want to be aware of is that while the supplier will give you permission to return an item, it may not always be to your advantage because the shipping cost would be too great. So I believe this sink was around $400, like 380 or something like that. And I got it for like $50 off. Plus I saved the tax. And so, another 10%. Seattle, $30, $40. So I saved about $80 on a brand new sink out of the box. Took me a little while to uh, find, first of all, the style that I wanted in this sink, and it's got the flex head on it. And I don't know, maybe a couple hours that I spent, but I looked on Craigslist, I looked on OfferUp, I looked on Bill.com, and I finally found this one on eBay. It was, I believe, around 80 or $90, and the shipping was free. And then I can also return it for free, for not for free, but they'll allow me to return it within so many days. Again, shipping at my expense. So again, um, once I get this installed, I'll show it to you, and then I'll start by walking through the rest of the kitchen, and I'll show you how this all ties in. All right.